What's up, guys? Brandon Chaden, BST Classics in Norwalk, Iowa, coming to you with an update on the Jeep. We got her in primer, and now we got it mounted. Check it out. So we got the engine and tranny in, driveline. Fender flares look good on there, man. It looks pretty sweet. I can dig it. Interior is going in. We're using actual seats out of a Bronco for this one and built our own risers. We got a wood floor going in, which is going to be awesome. Vintage air. We're going to smooth the entire dash out, put the steering column in. Gauges will be up here. Big old screen here with a center console, cup holders, all that good jazz. Around here, we got yellow tape on some spots that we gotta address. Yeah, got a nice wood floor going in. Latch that we're gonna use, so that all flips up and give you a nice storage area. Gonna have a spare tire over here, 10-inch sub over here, some speakers, headliner. Man, she came out pretty nice. Week's worth of body work, 3 people, 125 hours of just blocking and sanding, getting this thing ready to go. Got it in primer last night, got it mounted today. Yeah, Katie and Luke are killing it. We're hoping to be able to possibly start it up tomorrow. If we do, stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think, and we're going to be posting a video if we can get her running. See you guys later.